Good morning. We are outside and taking another look at this Underwood Leader. So the problem I want to fix today is the margin stop. So here's our margin set right there, right somewhere near the edge of the page. So what should happen as we're typing or hitting spacebar is we should hit that margin. Where is it? See, we're about to hit it. Right about here, we should hear the bell go off, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces after that, the typing should stop. Like the whole carriage should halt right about here. But what we're able to do is just keep going. All right, we are looking at the back of the typewriter. Here's that tab we were looking at earlier, our margin set tab. This is something that should be adjustable, and it is, although it's not very smooth on this particular machine, so I might have to tune that. In addition, do you see right here, that little mechanism in there? So that is what the margin stop is going to interact with. So you can see it move when we slide past it a little bit, and I'll give you some more angles. But what's supposed to happen is when that catches, right, that is supposed to flick the bell mechanism, which I think you can see the bell right there, that rounded part. That's supposed to move the little hammer. I think you can just barely make it out. It's supposed to swing that hammer into the bell to cause the bell to sound, so you know you're at the margin. So we're on track for fixing the bell. However, I'm not sure if the margin itself is going to get fixed, so because of what I want is for the carriage to stop about 5 spaces after it hits this thing, which I'm not sure which mechanism is preventing it from doing that. So we are gonna take off this plate right here, and maybe this back one as well. We'll see, but this is where we need to start and get working on the margin and the bell. Okay, let me summarize what I've found so far. I'm going to use this slotted screwdriver head as my indicator device here. So, on the margin set, we have this little tab, right? This one right here interacts with this, right? Slides over this mechanism, builds up elastic energy because of that spring right there, and then releases it as it slides back. What's supposed to happen is this is supposed to gain enough energy to swing that hammer that you can see right down in here. Hello, hammer. Swing the hammer far to one side and then let go of it. Okay, so technically speaking, this is functioning. However, it is not fully functioning. So here we go. I'm sliding over the catch. We can see that the hammer is not touching the bell for some reason. Oh, you know what? This mechanism is free. It is only held in by this screw right here. But this should open it up. Let's see. Yeah, if we can get this whole thing off of here, that saves a lot of time. Keep track of all these screws and bolts. Oh, there it is. Haha, sweet. Oh yeah, now we're gonna have really good access to these parts. Excellent. Okay, we can see our whole mechanism from the opposite side. Right, so we catch the top, and the bell swings, or the hammer swings into the bell. Okay, so if you loosen this, you can get access to the hammer, right? The pivot point, gotta get these cleaned up, and the spring. So first order of business, I'm gonna clean these. It's just a steel brush, just to clean off the gunk. Okay, cool. Those look clean. Well, now that they're clean, let me go ahead and reassemble and well, do I trust that that's enough? Probably not. But, you know, let me try and do the minimum first. Okay, here's the cleaned up mechanism. Looks the same, but we'll test it, see if it works. Well, that's nice. There's little pins that align it. Well, I'll be damned. That was it. Okay, and here's a quick example of it working. There's the bell. But thanks for watching. I've been Joe. You've been watching Ink&Iron. And come back for more typewriter stuff, as well as fountain pens, knives, multi-tools, do all that kind of thing. So catch you on the next one. Bye.